Rain for the crops, sun for the grain, beer for the soul. When the work brings pain, rain for the crops, sun for the grain. Ein Bier, zwei Bier, again and again. Hey, rain and sun all year. But most of all, beer. Boom. I love the dirt beneath my boots. I love the fields and growing roots. I love the rain upon the land. I love the sunlight warming my hands. I love the thunder rolling loud. I love the shadows of the clouds. I love the harvest standing tall. But there's one thing above it all. When the workday ends and the sky turns red, one golden thought keeps filling my head. Rain for the crops, sun for the grain, beer for the soul. When the work brings pain, rain for the crops, sun for the grain. Ein Bier, zwei Bier, again and again. Beer, beer, beer. Echoes in the valley, bassline shaking stone. Ein Bier, zwei Bier. I've seen the floods and I've seen the drought. I've watched good people struggle and doubt. The earth keeps turning, seasons change, yet somehow life remains the same. The crops may bend beneath the storm, the winter winds may not be warm, but resilience grows within us all, and a cold beer helps us stand tall. When judgment comes and troubles appear, I face them all with a frosty beer. Rain for the crops, sun for the grain, beer for the soul. When the work brings pain, rain for the crops, sun for the grain. Ein Bier, zwei Bier, again and again. Beer.